Okay, okay, let's see if this is working. Okay, let's get started. There we go, my mic's working, starting the live stream. Okay, hey guys, I'm Monkey 18 again, and we're playing Halo 3 ODST.
The Navy put up a good fight.
Of course they did.
Oh crap.
It's
That's
Earth.
weird.
Better late than never. How about you show some respect,
By the way,
Romeo?
ODST.
Just saying, Dutch. They missed one.
Yeah,
they left it
I'm
for us.
streaming right now, so if you hear me talking to myself, you know why. Does it? By the way, people, okay, people in the chat or people in the video, there's a person named ODST as a gaming tag in the party. So yeah, don't get confused. I know it's confusing.
Now.
Replacements?
Hey,
This many years into the war? Who isn't?
get out
At
of
least
my
they
head.
listen. To me. And they're not gonna like what they hear.
Orders are orders.
Come on, Veronica. What could be more important
Nah, that's
than
what
that
it
My
is.
orders. And Buck, call me Captain.
Buck gets fucked.
I'll pass
Buck
on
is a
that
duck who
dance.
gets fucked.
But you can't show me where to sit.
Hey, what the hell kind of armor was she wearing?
Dunno, Mickey. I wasn't looking at her gear. Seriously?
Ah.
Gotta be close quarters. Exactly.
Second to
Push.
last. Right next to mine.
Cozy. You gonna tell us her name, Gunny?
Ms. Naval Intelligence. Our new boss. Oh, brother. So check your mouths, find your chairs, and get set for a combat drop.
Of course they treat the black guy like that.
What the hell am I supposed to do with this inside a Covenant ship?
No scope them. Which way you blaze it? Ow! Oh, thanks. I needed that.
Wake up,
By the way,
Buttercup.
that grunting is the closest towards as
Relax, rookie. You
rookies
don't
could
mean
get
nothing.
AKA to play what we're
Besides,
playing as right
now's
now.
one of those times. Pays to be the strong, silent.
And
type.
hopefully I won't press the A button again. Here we go. By the way, if you're wondering, I'm have to re-record this because I forgot to record the beginning part here. I'll do the part all the way up to, I believe, well, I don't want to spoil it, but up to after we get done with the first mission. Yep. Yeah, so pretty much I forgot to record the first part all the way up to the sudden part, which isn't that long. It should be around 30 minutes, which I wouldn't have another part, aka episode. I probably won't be talking as much
Captain, 15 clicks off the deck.
during
Stand
the
by to adjust trajectory. On my mark. What's he just say?
look at the ODSTs. But I will probably won't be talking as much
We're way
during
off course. We're
these
heading exactly
cutscenes
where I need to go.
just right
But
now.
we're gonna miss the carrier. Radiation! Covenant just set off a nuke? No. The carrier's going to jump. It's a subspace rupture. You need to... EMP! Losing power! Stabilize! They popped their chutes! We're going in hard!
Huh. Well, we're boned. Bombast the streets. So that's what happened. So I'm glad that this is on the Xbox One, and it's not really as laggy. Really, it's not as bad as the launch and Master Chief Collection. Sure, multiplayer it lags a bit, and after this part, you're gonna see me play with my friends here, such as ODST Sharp and my friend Rinsler here. It's funny how his name is ODST and the game's ODST. It's gonna be confusing, and it is confusing. Extremely confusing, but kind of confusing, but still, it's fun. Still pretty fun. Yeah. We also play this on normal. I'll be playing this on easy because I'm by myself, and I'm probably gonna get lost because I'm mainly, I think, teleported. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, time to skip dream because I don't want to waste the video here. Smoke. Oh jeez, the door is opening. What about like 50 feet above the ground? What are you doing? Why did you jump off the ground? You're 50 feet above the ground.
Healthcare on demand.
Okay, let's see here. I believe that they do the first. This is, I guess you can count this as a mission. So after the second mission, as we find our first clue, which we are doing, Blues Clues, yeah, definitely. But after we find a clue, because we need to find out where the hell our team is, what happened to them, if they're dead or alive, and if they're dead, find out how they died. And I'm not sure if they died or if they're alive. I don't know. Actually, I do know, but I'm not spoiling anything. But yeah, pretty much we gotta find what happened to them. Okay, now grab a pistol. Plus, by the way, this is way different from the Halo 3 pistol. Oh, get back here. So yeah. Oh wait, yeah, and also in this game you have a map, but no. Oh crap. Oh, that was a close one. Don't want to waste my ammo here. Don't know where to go from here. Crap, what was I talking about? Yeah, so usually you have a map, and also you can zoom in and shoot again, like Halo 1. And this pistol looks like Halo 2, except with the flashlight beneath it. And that's what I like about it. And also the music, as you'll see in the future parts, maybe the music goes well with the actual game. And you know, obviously, I do not own the music at all, and this is only intended for entertainment purposes, and hopefully this won't go down as copyright because it did before, and I hope this doesn't happen again, and if it does, I'm gonna be upset. So, happened to me before, so. So yeah, it did happen to me before, and we need to find out our first clue of what the hell is going on. Where the hell are we? So I don't know where to go. Like I said, I'm gonna be lost. So, what the hell? Someone's watching me. It's not the viewers, if there are any. I really wish I had a map right now. It'd be useful. Last time I played this game was on the 2010 over my friend's house. And man, actually the game looks brighter. And also, by the way, they got rid of Destiny Easter eggs. You remember where it said Destiny awaits you, something like that? Even a symbol, they got rid of it. I'm not sure, but I think it's because that they own, like 343 doesn't own Destiny. So that's why I think, but I don't know. Take that too seriously. Checkpoint done. So yeah, they changed it unfortunately in the Xbox One version. So the only way you see that is to look online, or if see sorry about that. As you can see there, I'm not sure if you saw it, but it said they were split up being to investigate. And if you press X, you'll see something. You can see the highlighted things. That'll be in night vision, I believe, and also if it's in yellow. If it's in yellow, then it's something important. Or you can also press up and down D-pad. I forgot about that. It works same thing with down D-pad also. I pressed that. I did. Will I catch on fire if I stand here? Wow, that's really unrealistic. Downloading city map. I wonder how much megabytes they get per second. What's this? Kinsler is a thug. The spelling is really bad. So that's where we need to go. It's kind of hard to follow this actually. It's confusing at times because it looks like you have to go up. Looks like you have to look up, but you really don't. That's what happens to me in most games, but you know, not this one. Cause screw it. Now this door is open. So now you can open this door. How does glass this? Does that even make sense? But I don't know how that door opened now all of a sudden. But you know. Melee. Okay. Door is life. Hey, good. Oh, I'm compromised. Shh. Open fire. Come on, really? Reloading. I'm getting shot. I'm getting lit up. Holy crap. In the face. In the face. This gotta be more. Really? That's it? No way. Let me open this door. I didn't see this part actually when to go through here. Yeah. To be honest, I think it's for ODST they should add Halo Reach. Yeah, I'll activate night vision so you guys can see. But I think what's that grunt? You okay? So wait. Oh wait, I forgot teabag physics. It's still in here. Yeah. Oh, what the hell? Jackals. Wait, no, they're not jackals. I think they're skirmishes. Yeah, I think they're skirmishes. Skirmishes. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, skirmishes are a little bit different from jackals. Just a bit different. Yeah. I believe they're the same species, but you know. Yeah, don't be racist, ODST. Okay, here we go. First helmet. Let's watch this cutscene. Look out the window. Pull helmet from wall. Sparks. Look out window again.
You gonna tell us her name, Gunny?
Ms. Naval Intelligence. Our new boss. So check your
Look
mouths,
at helmet.
find your chairs, and get set for a combat drop.
Here we go. Hey, it's loaded. Now it's not loaded. Now it is loaded. So yeah, this is the mission that I forgot to record somehow. Don't know why. Well, you know, I guess I was just in the moment. Just realized it says like ODST in the circle. That's new. Like in the far left. Oh, whatever. Buck is a dog who gets fucked. In a good way. Yeah. What's that blue stuff in the air? Seriously, what is it? If imagine that made a rubber ducky noise when he crashed. That'd be interesting.
Squad, what's this?
How did he get upside down?
Still with me, Buck?
How does that happen?
Yeah. Give me a sec.
I hit pretty hard. My hatch won't open. How about yours?
Works great.
Right. When you get done fooling around, I could use some help.
Did I do something wrong? Because the only thing I regret about you and me, not knowing you were a spook when we first met. I would have been a lot less charming.
That's what I missed most about you, Buck. Well, your mouth was always a little faster than your brain. Look, don't start about my job. We both agreed to end it.
That was years ago, Veronica. I'm a little fuzzy on the details. You must have met a lot of other saps since then. Why pick me for the safari?
First, you're the best soldier I know, and second, I don't remember that night. What you asked me in the morning?
I remember not getting an
Is
answer.
she hitting on
Say
him?
again, Buck. You're breaking up.
I said stay put. I'm on my way.
Where's Vice coming from? I think he just came out of nowhere. Maybe he came out of the blue stuff.
Packed with Covenant. Be careful.
I appreciate the concern.
Won't be much of a risk.
There you go, Bane.
Dead.
Totally good, Bane. They're on the Bane list. Okay, time to speedrun this. See if I can actually do this in under 30 minutes, which is the far time. Definitely not gonna get the plus score. Let's see here. Let me make sure you grab his plasma grenades. This is the third time I'm playing through this mission. Oh, it's actually, yeah, third. We got passed by that soldier because he'll be fine. As for me, I don't know. Stuck that one. Not one. Score. I don't really need to use that. I'll switch back.
Got a little jackal problem.
An overcharged
grenade.
plasma pistol shot will neutralize their shields. Should also take down a brute's armor.
Or melee.
Oh, yeah?
Melee
Where
works.
were you a minute ago?
Still trapped inside my pod.
Headshot. I believe there's a carbine here. I'll take it.
Trooper, we're pinned down. Cut through this building. Hit him from behind.
Oh wow, I could use that shotgun or whatever. Oh damn, missed. Oh jeez, going the wrong direction.
Buck, location.
Almost there. What's wrong?
Multiple hostiles closing on my position. Listen carefully. If I don't make it...
Whoa, hang on. I'll be right there.
Too late, they spotted me.
Damn it, no! Veronica, talk to me.
Oh wow, I missed.
Don't move. I'm coming, you hear?
Oh ouch, ouch. Got hit. Oh wow, I just dodged that. Oh. For the part time. Yep, they're gonna die. He's right.
I'm here. I gotcha.
Oh, there goes 360 controller.
Oh, nuts. Whoa, whoa! Whoa!
That's dangerous. Ah, so that's what happened.
What the heck was that? You ever seen one before? Hey, Romeo, you got your ears on? Oh, I get it. Permission to speak, smartass.
No, I don't know what it was. But it was gonna grease your ass good. Just like it did the captain.
Yeah, maybe. You're from Mickey, Dutch?
Negative.
The rookie.
Okay, okay, let's.
We need to get above this crap.
I just learned a lesson.
One of our drones must have seen where they hit.
If you
So we're popping smoke in the ladies'
yeah,
mission?
wait, micro USB cable, for
Did you ever
example,
tell you
so I
what
can
you
plug
wanted?
into your Xbox
No.
One, and if it's bent, never touch the metal part.
Doesn't matter. All
You'll
I
get
care about now is getting my men out of the sea.
Executed. Yeah.
Even you.
Executed. Yeah, I did. It burns. It's mine. It's not even mine. It's less than mine. But you know, it burns, man. I unplugged it from my Xbox One. Damn. Bill past due. Halo 3 ODST beat the part time on Terry Plaza, I believe that's what it's called. Okay, I'm gonna let, even though I had this cutscene play out, I'm gonna just play. Actually, no. You'll see in the next part, I believe. Yep. You have the video. I already have the video uploaded. I just need to put it on public after I upload this. Wait. Touch. Tap. Gun out. Lookout window. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you'll see more. Except it'll be co-op mode, and won't say rookie there. It would say for example, if it was me, it would say rear monkey, you know, stuff like that, because that's my game tag. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys later. Peace.